Hello everyone and welcome to another Meta Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn everything about Meta Ads attribution. Meta launched a new way that is using to attribute conversions, and we're going to explain everything about that. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. First of all, very quickly, what do we mean by attribution? So let's say someone clicks an ad, then goes to your website and buys something after 3, 4, 5 days. Let's say someone likes an ad, comments an ad, shares, views the ad in the feed, and then goes to your website and completes an action, a conversion action. The user is buying something, completes a form, and so forth. Then Meta is going to attribute this conversion to the advertising, your campaign, your ad set, and your ad. And very recently, Meta changed the way it does that. It has 3 layers now. So we have click-through attribution. So click-through attribution means that someone is going to click the ad, is going to go to your website, take a key action like buying a product, and then Meta is going to attribute that to your advertising. Then we have engage-through attribution. So engage-through attribution means that someone is going to like the ad, comment, save, share, or view a video, and then after that, the user is going to go to your website, buy something, complete an action. Meta is going to attribute this to your ad. And then we have view-through attribution, which means someone is simply going to see the ad as they scroll down the feed, and then they're going to go to your website, buy something, and again, Meta is going to attribute any sales or conversions that happen to your ad. So we have these 3 different types of attribution that Meta is using. Now, what is the catch here? That when you start the campaign, and if we go straight to Meta Ads here at the ad set level, so let's say we have a sales campaign or a campaign that is basically using conversions as a goal, then we're going to select the conversion event we want to optimize for. And right here, there is attribution model. So if you click on show more settings, you can see the attribution settings here, and you can play with these attribution settings. And we have these 3 different types of attribution. We have click-through attribution, 7 days, which means a user clicks a link today, buys within a 7-day window, then Meta is going to attribute the sale to your ads. Then we have the engage-through attribution, which goes up to 1 day, and then we have the view-through attribution, which means the user is simply going to see the ad, and then if within 24 hours, 1 day, completes an action, a conversion action on the site, Meta is still going to claim this conversion. This is the main reason why Meta is always reporting massively inflated numbers in terms of conversions, a lot higher numbers than, let's say, what Google Analytics is reporting for Meta Ads. If you want to solve this problem, meaning you want the number of your Meta Ads conversions to closely match this of your Google Analytics, then the most important action is to come here and remove engage through attribution and also remove view through attribution and keep only click through attribution, which means that the user has to click an ad, then go to your website, and then if within 7 days they buy something, then yes, Meta is going to attribute this conversion to your ads. If you have engage view attribution enabled 1 day and you have view through attribution enabled, then your Meta Ads numbers are going to be super inflated. And that's the reason why your Meta Ads numbers are super inflated. So my recommendation is to keep only click through attribution, which is more realistic and closer to reality and also closer to Google Analytics. Now, keep in mind that these settings, you can only adjust them when you start a new campaign or a new ad set. If the ad set is live, the campaign is live, you cannot go mid-flight and change the attribution settings. So if you have campaigns that are running with the previous settings or whatever, let's say, default Meta is choosing here, what you will have to do is to duplicate your ad set or duplicate your campaign. Then you can adjust your attribution settings, and then you can have a much cleaner report. And that's all about the new Meta Ads attribution. Again, we have 3 different types of attribution: click-through, engage-through, and view-through. My recommendation is use click-through attribution 7 days, remove engage-through, remove view-through, because if you keep them, then your meta ads conversion numbers are going to be massively inflated, especially comparing with Google Analytics. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you everyone, and have a great day in any time zone. Bye.